Welcome everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to import 3MF files into Blender. First of all, you should visit the website that I'll leave in the description below. Once you're on the page, download the zip file. Don't extract it, just keep it as a zip. Now open Blender. As you can see, if we go to File, Import, there is no 3MF option available by default. So here's how we enable it. Click on Edit, then Preferences. Next, go to Add-ons. Click on the small arrow at the top right, and then choose Install from Disk. Now browse to the zip file you just downloaded, select it, and install it. And voila! Blender will show Module installed. And if you check the Import menu again, you'll see that 3MF support is now available. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to click like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos.